Hello my sunshine, welcome to my second part of the August vlog. Today I just wanted to show you through my what I did last August. Yes, it's really end of the August. So this month is actually my birthday month as well. For that purpose I wanted to make this special sticker sheet for whoever birthday month it was. So I will send you as a digital file, or I will send you a physical item if you have a mailing tier and you pledge on the month that is your birthday month. So first questions, what's your favorite cake? Mine are definitely going to be some fruit cake or like just normal vanilla, white whipped cream, strawberry. How about yours? Like, 'cause I know a lot of people know like something more special, like chocolate cake and stuff. But my favorite still something more softer in a sense. So for this month, this is a little gift for all male tiers. You will get this clear sticker sheet, as I want you guys to celebrate my birthday with me. So it's just this little bear with the cake, the strawberry cake, fruit cake that I mentioned before that I like. Sorry for my mess, but I just want to show you how it actually looks like in my room when I'm printing and cutting all the stickers. So I usually print out all the sticker sheet before I cut them, and normally I will print a bit more instead of the exact amount of sticker sheet I need to print, because there will always have some fails, and using a silver cameo, I think any kind of cutting machine will give you some error even if you being extra careful. So in that case, I making sure that I always check the program, the setting. I must make sure that they are on the correct speed, strength and thickness. Even though I've been cutting sticker sheet for almost 5-6 months now, but I'm still getting errors here and there. So don't worry if you are buying a new cutting machine and you start to feel like a lot of stickers that unable to turn out how you want it to be. Don't be frustrated, be more patient with it, and by the end of the day you will get the result done. And if you're too frustrated with it, just don't do it at the moment and wait for another time, I guess. That's what I did for my case. I finish cutting all the little pieces for the notepad, I will try to multitask. Meanwhile waiting for the cutting machine to cut all my sticker sheet, I do the gluing for my notepads and let them dry. So I usually try to plan out everything equally so I can finish up the task as quick as possible and able to work on other projects. This is me setting up the light box to get some photo shots done for my Instagram and Patreon itself. So usually I don't have enough of sunlight. I got this light box from just a normal online store and take picture with my phone and use a Lightroom to edit all of them. You also can use Photoshop or any application available on your phone, and but I know that Lightrooms are free for your phone application, so you can use that as well. After the photo shoot, I'm actually preparing for my live stream. So every beginning of the month, I usually have live stream to show up all my rewards that I have for the month. So the table that you see on my live stream is this white table I get from the IKEA, and yes, there are really a lot of tasks to do, but usually I just write down in the very long list and then check out one by one, even the very small tasks, like for example set up the light box or set up the table, and then or maybe gather all the equipment together. So that's how I make most of my things done. And I also use this part of my area, which is my bed, because I have not much space on my table, and I find it more effective because there's more space for me to work on. It's time for me to pack your rewards. So this time around is a bit different, and I'm not actually zoom in to show you what's going on, but I have a wider view in a sense, so you will know how I actually sit down and able to pack the stuff. So how are you able to know what tier are you? I usually use the color code, and because in the postcard usually I write your name. So there's 3 colors right now for each tier: Mellow tier, cake, chocolate, and pancake. So with that in my mind, I'm able to know right away which tier are you, and I'm able to pack and making sure that all the rewards are packed correctly. And from there, I just finish it up with all the mailables for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this little video of behind the scenes, and later on I have some footage of me going out to just hang out with my friends and my hubby, and yeah. after all my mail has sent, I went to a little short break. I met up with my friends and we have some good, was it dinner? It was a lunchtime. So we went to this Mitsuba restaurant that is sashimi buffet. It's like anything that is sushi related. Then we went to see some stationery. This is my special request. Mostly that I try to find some washi tapes that I can able to use for upcoming month theme to put on your postcard and window shopping. After that, we went to arcade. Actually, I used to play a lot of arcade games. Although right now there's COVID-19, so we don't play as much. But this is how I de-stress myself most of the time. And we went to a game store as well, but I didn't get anything. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.